every time mo nag-speak siya. That's all.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Miss Ana Geneva. Thank you.
Thank you,
for sharing.
Geneva. Salamat.
Okay, ayan. So, sino pa ba ang next? No, tingnan natin dito. Baka nakita nyo rin. Okay, si Miss Rowena Manansala. Go, Ma'am Weng.
Ay, salita pala ako, sir. Joke lang. Hi, sir. Hi, everyone. Ito?
Hi, Miss Weng.
Hi. Masabi ko lang kay Sir Roland, I'm very glad na nakasalamuha kita, sir, for, how many years ba, sir?
Oo, bit mo pa si, bit mo pa sa training si,
si Carla.
Si Carla.
Carla.
Baby pa
Sa
siya.
training room.
Kakamang-kamang pa sa training table. Oo. Na ano ko talaga na, kumbaga padaghan ko na tunan kay sir, kumbaga pa I'm really inspired pag nagasalita si sir. He's one of the persons sa PhilAmLife na I don't want to miss kung magsalita siya. So everything, kumbaga pa every valuable, kumbaga ginasabi niya talagang ay ginapasok ko sa isip ko. Minsan nag-take note, down notes ako na after that kasi talagang sa sakto lang sir na-inspire talaga ako when you talk. Tapos yung kumbaga pa meron talagang impact sa sarili ko when you talk. That is why ayaw ko siya i-miss. Parang isa ka, parang ano ka, para kang si Sir Rex din sa akin.
Salamat, Miss Weng.
Ano, sir?
High level na kahit to si Boss Rex.
Level mo siya. Almost ka-level o ka-level. Bitaw niya na to lang. I am really inspired. Yang may matutunan talaga ako na ma-inspire ako every time na magsalita ka. So, I'm very happy and I'm very glad na gano'n ang na nakasalamuha kita. So, sadden lang ako actually, sir. So, nalungkot talaga ako when I heard na alis kayo. Oo. Akala ko magkasama pa tayo for long. Yun lang, na ano lang ako. So, yun ang thank you so much, sir, sa mga natutunan ko sa iyo. Marami akong na-learn. Tapos always po na-inspire. Lalo na po sa totoo lang, yung nag-speak ka always. Yung, diba, naging speaker ka ng mga, lalo pag nag-down ang market, there are times na parang nahiya na ako or medyo, siyempre, medyo tao lang tayo eh. Kakaroon tayo ng negative impact din kung, di ba, lalo ng puro VUL tayo before, na medyo, paano na lang itong kliyente ko, paano na. Pero, but then, kung nagsalita po kayo, medyo nape-perk up na naman ako. Ay, oo nga pala, no, ganito, ganyan. So, yun ang naano ko. So, inspire ako. In spite of yung mga trials, mga downturns ng business natin before, kayanan pa rin. Isa ka sa mga nagbibigay sa akin ng inspiration. That is why nandito pa rin ako sa PhilAmLife. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Weng.
Ayan, so thank you so much, Ma'am Weng, for sharing that. Also, we have one MDRT who will also be speaking, para kang Sir Roland, Miss Alice Bendero. Ma'am Alice.
Alice,
Ay, nako.
Ay, naku.
Hello, everybody. Naririnig niyo
Hello.
ako?
Yes, we can hear you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Here.
You know what? When I heard it and then when I read it, medyo nabigla talaga ako. Although, of course, Roland is my brother-in-law, pero mahirap pala. I cried, napaiyak ako noon kasi sabi ko, bakit ganon? Kasi I was really surprised. Dahil hindi ko ina-expect eh. Pero anyway, sabi ko, Lord, siguro may reason. Although, I called Roland, tama ba? I called you after a few days. Hello?
Actually, nung announcement itself, the day of the announcement.
The day after. Oo, narinig ko yon. Tumawag ako sa
Charger
sabi ko
ng
sa amin,
laptop.
you are supposed to be calling me in the morning, kaya lang mas nauna ako. So, nung marinig ko yon, actually, tahimik ako dahil hanggang ngayon, parang hindi ko accepted. Nahihirapan ako mag-adjust. Bihira akong pumunta sa office, kung pwede man morning lang. Actually, hindi ako masyadong nagtatrabaho. Dahil, alam mo naman ang senior, hindi naman basta pwedeng lumabas. Parang ang hirap mag-adjust. Tapos una-una, nalulungkot ako kasi hindi ko nakikita yung mga kasamahan. Pag pumunta ka sa office, Dadalawa lang yung nakikita mo doon. Tatlo. Si Janet, si Russell, at saka si Charmaine.
Shinalyn.
Sino ba?
Shinalyn.
Tsaka of course, kung sino yung cashier, and then the guard. Tapos ngayong August 1, magsasara na naman. Di parang, ngayong Monday ba? August 1. So parang ang hirap. Hindi mo na nakikita yung mga tao, hindi mo na nakikita lahat. Tapos ngayon, wala pa si Roland. Pero anyway, sige lang Roland. Good luck. Tsaka, I have to accept everything dahil it's for your own good naman eh. Sorry. Pasensya na kayo, nandito yung mga ako. Ang pinaka-importante, masaya ako, at least ma-enjoy mo yung bahay mo, kasama mo pamilya mo. And hindi ka na masyadong nagta-travel kasi every now and then na magkita tayo, sinasabi mo sa akin, alis na ako ate, alis kasi ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, kailan kaya matitigil ito? Para bang lagi siya nagmamadali, tapos yung buhay niya parang laging nasa aeroplano. Siyempre, we keep on praying, pero siyempre, may time din talaga. It's about time to have a break. Siguro meron talagang purpose. Anyway, good luck. God bless you. More blessings and alam ko, kaya mo yan.
Thank you,
enjoy.
Tel.
Thank you.
Ayan. Okay.
Everybody, I miss you guys.
Ma'am Alice, we
Miss you,
also miss
Ma'am
you.
Alice.
Thank you so much for that message. Ayan. So, Sir Roland, okay ba? Okay. Sige. We have more sharers, no, to also share. We would like to call on Miss Preciosa Dumangas. Ma'am Presi.
Hello,
Presi,
Sir Roland.
wow. Yes.
Hello sa tanan. Sir Roland, more
Yes,
than
ma'am.
2 decades na di ay ang labay, murag gahapon lang ta nagilhanay. Way back 1996. Now, my first time nga misaka ko sa 3rd floor sa specialist building. Hangak-hangak pa para mag-training ko sa imuha. So, tong nag-start ko og klase sa imuha, start para mo exam sa licensure.
PCTC.
PCTC. So, I was so amazed that man, nindot siya, nga tao. Maayo mo tudlo, nako nga, mura man ni siya, balik ta og eskwela. Maestro di ay siya, mao di ay nga, nindot siya mo tudlo sa iyang mga estudyante. Anyway, Sir Roland, during the first half of my journey sa PhilAmLife, daghan jud nga sad experience ato na agian. And you were there always nga mamati, like tung unang mamaligya ko og kanang scholar gold. Siguro naka-remember ka nga, adto jud ko sa imong opisina ko, Sir Roland, ano man ni ato ang company nga dili man ni sila mohatag og maayong benefit as compare sa CAP. Oo, ng CAP, maayong mga benefits sa comparison. Kanang explain lang yun ka. Sige lang na kay sila ra gihapon ang mag-anya na until years after na collapse ang CAP. So I was so ana gid ay ang PhilAmLife. And then second na pud nga global crisis sa 2008. So wala pa ni abot ang global crisis. Naadto na pud ko sa impuha. Nasurulan. Kanang natumba naman daw ang EIG. Ingon ni katong akong prospect dito nga ka-istorya, imbis mamaligya akong insurance, giingnan ko nga ang inyong EIG natumba na. Remember, Sir Roland? Kaya ipakita ko niya sa libro nga naana dito. So, siyempre ikaw, mag-uul ka, dagay ko sa imo. Pero, maayo dyan ka mo pacify sa amo ang mga feelings. Tsaka, daghan og unod, ang mo ang isulti sa amo mauna nga. Pagawas, ma-boost na po ang among confidence. So, hangtod nga, natumbag yun ang EIG si Roland. Pero, during the time nga, natumba ang EIG, visible gid ka permi sa PhilAmLife. Every now and then naga-update ka sa amo aron dili ni malisang o kanang ang among confidence sa amo ang pagkaahente ug sa amo ang company naalang gihapon. That is why Sir Roland, every time nag-lecture ka, ginatandaan jud ako permi masilsil sa akong utok una ang imuhang facts and figures, economic updates. Mauna gid ang ako ang gihimo nga weapon kung adto ko sa field. Napupuno ang kaya I can say that I was been privileged working with you during my early years in PhilAm Life. You were my mentor and I learned a lot from you. In your next journey, Sir Roland, I wish you a wonderful future and a lot of time for your family and friends. Congratulations, Sir Roland. I love you.
Thank you, Miss Presi. Love you too. Thank you, everyone.
Ayun, thank you. Thank you so much for that, Ma'am Presi, for that really heartfelt message nimo para kang Sir Roland. Ayan. Okay, so this time, anyone else from our advisors who would like to share? Okay. Advisors muna ha. Ma'am Yang, go ahead, Ma'am Yang.
Yay! Sir Roland!
Hi, Miss Yang.
Magandang hapon!
Magandang hapon.
Ay, nasad naman kami, sir. Akala namin, sir, magtatagal pa tayo magsasama. Pero, don't worry, sir, ha. Lahat naman ng tinuro mo sa amin, habang buhay po namin dadalhin yun. Tapos, yung pinakalas na umattend po ako nung nag-share ka, sir, gusto ko yun, sir. Kasi di ba para yung sa iba, medyo mahirap i-accept, i-adapt yung mga protection product. Pero kung kayo po yung nagsasalita, madali pong maintindihan, sir. Thank you talaga. You're such a blessing talaga sa amin, sir. 4 years ako sa PhilAm. Sobrang thankful po ako, sir, na nakasama ko kayo. Narinig ko kayo. Marami pa akong natutunan sa inyo, sir. Naging part po kayo ng buhay ko, ng MDRT journey po, sir. Imik lang kami sa tabi, pero lahat po ng naririnig namin sa inyo, dadalhin po namin yun habang buhay, sir. Thank you, sir, ha. God bless po.
Thank you, Yang. Congratulations also for your achievement.
Thank you, sir. We love you, sir.
Thank you, Yang.
Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan. So, okay. So, we will go ahead sa ating mga leaders. So, we also have a few leaders who wanted to share their thoughts. Okay, so we'll start with Ma'am Bing Pastorin. Ma'am Bing.
Miss Bing.
Hi, Sir Roland. Good afternoon.
Yes, Miss Bing.
Yeah. To Sir Roland, thank you for helping me grow the best version of myself right now. You became a part of who I am today.
My video.
Thank you for all your efforts for the PhilAm Life family, for the friendship, and for all the good things we both share together. May you continue to seek happiness, and I wish you will all the time. Sir Roland, maraming salamat. I salute you, Sir Roland. Thank you,
Miss
and
Bing.
God bless. Especially
Salamat,
to
Bing,
your family. Okay, thank you,
Yes,
sir.
you're also an inspiration, always.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank
Okay. Ayan, daghan ay nagilak-hilak, sir. Ayan. So, naka-record ni, by the way, ha? Naka-record ba yan ni?
Kailan ko po, sir, pero
Ginapagan lang. Oh. Oo. Okay, so another one who would like to share is Ma'am Diding Anito. Ma'am Diding, go ahead.
Hello, Sir Roland.
Hi, Miss Ding.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening. Hindi ko talaga makalimutan yung first time kita na-meet sa Samal. Pareho pa mga kaya that time. Diba? So, ginapangita
Bis
ko
ka?
picture nato nga daw wala man ta ato mga laman pa. Daw mabalaan gid sir mga pobre pa ta kayo that time.
Mugid.
Pero
Ay,
time
mayaman na.
goes on, damo gid kami nakuha sa imo nga mga balon sa among kinabuhi. So, we'll be missing you, sir. But then, God has a plan for you.
Yeah.
Sana tuloy-tuloy yung bagong journey mo with God's guidance and protection. Lalo na sa pamilya. Sir, salamat sa lahat ng natutunan namin sa iyo. Baon-baon namin yan hanggat buhay kami at nasa Film Life kami. Kasi yung mga teaching mo, hindi lang namin nagamit sa trabaho, kundi pati na sa sariling buhay namin. Nagiging strong kami whatever challenge is. Dahil kung magluyaman kami, makabati lang kami sa imong istorya, motivation, nagabaskog na po niliwat, sir. No matter what
Yes, sir.
is.
Totoo. Totoo.
Wishing you the best
Agree.
on your next journey. Salamat kayo, sir.
Salamat, Mr.
Good
Ding.
luck and God bless.
Thank you so much. Kamu man, good luck. God bless you.
Ayun.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Murag nagbaha-baha na gid karon ba? Murag habol na yung kinahanglan ani. Okay, kinsa pa gusto mag-apas og share? Ma'am Selly, would you like to go?
Ay, sige sir, gamay lang
Go.
sir.
Sure.
Okay. Good
Sir.
evening, Sir Roland. Yan aga nag-train sa ako adri sa kay 2000 man ko nag-training diri sa Marvel.
Marvel,
Ako
no?
gid ang naging best mag-intro sa ginaghatag ana sa ako kay babaan ang gud ko. But he's very much na-inspired ko sa because of sa mga teachings and ideas na gina-share sa among atanan sa mga freedom fighters. Tama to kung may mga downs sa mga companies, siya gid ang nag-explain og maayo sa amo. So hanggang ngayon, para mag 20 years ako sa Film Life na ako gihapon because of this man, the great, the smart. Lahat nandiyan na sa kanya, guwapo pa jud. Kung saan na lang na, nawa pa jud akong best asset sa Film Life.
Tuod na.
Good taon. Tapos, I have a very good time with you. Lahat ng mga gi-share nimo sa amo ang tanan. So, next to your journey, mayog na ang pag-ano nimo, pag-decide ka, you have been with your family, a new journey of your life. God bless you, and love
Thank
you
you.
more.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan, okay. Thank you so much.
Sir,
Okay.
si Eva.
Ma'am Eva, go ahead.
Yes. Sir
Ma'am Eva.
Roland. You remember when pumunta tayo ng Cagayan de Oro and that was the time or first time mo siguro to attend conventions or awardees of
Yes.
the ano?
Galing ko
And
Tabato,
you were-
sa Cagayan.
Yes. Dyan sa Corong Marvel ang biyahe natin. And so, napaka-cute mo pa noon.
Karon di ay, ma'am.
Good. 21 years old, newly graduate, ganon. And then, yung mga awarding natin sa Tabato City or Christmas, Christmas
Parties.
You remember the song Macarena, sir? Macarena?
Yes.
Yes. And kasama namin itong bunso ko, si Paul, and anak din ni Mark. So you dance with them. So ang ganda ng sayaw-sayaw mo noon. Those were the days, Macarena. No? So, I know na marami rin tayong pinagsamahan with the and really, no, I see you, man, with respect. And yun nga, you have mentored us And trainer ka pa man kasi noon. So lahat ng product na introduce mo, parang gusto rin namin mag-invest or kukuha, parang ganon. Kasi parang natatamaan din kami kasi parang kami rin yun. We will apply also to ourselves. And so, if you remember, kayo pa man yung sector ng Blood Invest. Yes. Trans 1, 2, and 3. And so, noong trans 2 yata kami nakabili sa mga kasamahan ko dito sa Takurong. And so, well, hindi naman sa sir, just normal na noong nag-withdraw na kami or nag-mature, mabuti na lang kay 80% is guaranteed. Kumbaga, hindi naman kami total loss. Kasi 250,000 invest namin and we just get 200,000. Sabi na si Sir Roland kasi ang ganda naman ng market, ang ganda naman ng diesel. Well, it's just normal to say.
That's investment.
Sir, we, of course, you do not know also the future or ganon. Yes, truly enough, sir. You made the Cotabato Harris mature, especially the tenured ones, na every time na mag-speak ka, parang nanonood sa puso, no? Kumbaga, nako-convince mo lahat yung kausap mo, kumbaga. Maybe because the glory of the Lord. And so, I know kung bakit ka listen or listen sa PhilAm Live, maybe because you want to be with your family every day and of course free from stress. Free from stress. And Sir Roland, I know you have another endeavor to go, and so my word, I just want to share the word of God, Jeremiah 29:11. For I know I am really sad, sir, you're going out or you're leaving us. Sabi ni Lord, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. The plans to prosper you, the plans to give you a future and not to harm you. So, God bless Sir Roland for lahat na share mo sa amin, nakatulong sa buhay namin, sa family namin, at saka nakagrow kami. And we stay here in PhilAm Live for, I'm now 35 years also in PhilAm Live. I love you, Roland.
Thank you, Miss Eva. God bless you always.
Your Kuya Floro also.
Oh, my. Oh.
Kasama din natin noon. I love you and your family.
Thank you, Miss Eva. God bless you always.
Thank you.
Okay, ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Eva, for that heartfelt na a message for Sir Roland. Okay, so ngayon, as we know, it's also time for Sir Roland to share with us ang iyang message for the agency. So Sir Roland, I give the floor to you, sir. After sa mga ipang share, sir. So truly, we would like to say once again, sir, as an entire agency, we truly love you. And we're really thankful for how you have impacted our lives. Go, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you, Wesley. First of all, no words will be enough for the way that I express my gratitude sa inyo tanan for organizing this. In fact, I'm really humbled, listening to all your sharing, and I cannot really thank you enough, for really helping me also, all these years. Timing siguro that you have chosen the theme, roll over the ocean, di ba? Probably you have connected it to yung blue ocean, but it reminds me daw tuna, daw tuna. Ang tuna daw. Ang tuna daw has a migratory pattern. In fact, hindi lang na siya migratory pattern. Usually ang tuna, kung hindi na siya madakpan, mabalik din na siya kung hindi siya ginhatch. Okay, that's why may ginasundan na siya may ginasundan na siya path. Kung di na siya ginlay nga egg, malibot na siya, pero by the time nga magpahuway na siya, mabalik na siya kung di na siya na-hatch. I think that's one of the characteristic of a tuna. Unfortunately lang, kadamuhan sang tuna wala nakabalik. Kaya ato na sila sa fish port. Ato na sila sa Japan. But kidding aside, the analogy is, I think what you have shared today is just like how I journeyed as a film lifer. This is where I started. I really started with the Jerez Agency. In fact, I consider Mr. Pons as really my mentor in the insurance business. And not only that, he introduced me to the business of insurance. He actually introduced me to the life of an insurance person. Diba? I'm really I'm amazed by the way it takes care of people. Kung may ara ka nga niya, the very epitome of a people person, si Mr. Pons na ina. Having achieved so much, having done so much, and yet, at the end of the day, he gives so much. And I guess, amo na siya ang naging basihan ko wherever I go. Wherever I go, I was moved to South Central Mindanao. I was moved to Mindanao. Eventually, I was moved to Cebu, to Visayas, the entire Visayas. Tapos, I was about to start the provincial, diba? And every time that I start, and I guess it has always been the lesson I learned from Mr. Pons. That's why I'm forever grateful to Mr. Pons. Sir Pons, damo gid nga salamat. You have actually paved the way for my growth, in the organization, on my career, and I guess what I have done, to the rest, is just sharing, paying forward, what I think, what I have been given. I've been so blessed to be mentored. I guess it is just but important that I have to pay to others for they too should have the opportunity to become better. So, amo na siguro ang naging basihan, and I think atong inambal naton nga blue ocean, atong inambal naton nga mga opportunities, sa tinuod lang, it's all within you. Ara na sa inyo tanan, di ba? My role was just to connect you with what's within, di ba? Just for you to realize, for example, when I share to you some ideas, some topics, at the end of the day, I'm just going to share with you something, but it will be you. It will be you who will finally convince yourself that that's important and share it to others as well. The greatness is all within you. It's just a matter of fact na kinanglan lang natin i-connect na. And I guess that's what we need to do all the time. I'm so privileged. Honestly, I feel I'm so blessed. Na 25 years, 26 years. But my 26 years will always pale in comparison to the 50 years of Mr. Jerez, to the 35 years of Miss Eva, to the 30 years of, or even more, ni Mr. Veer, ni Miss Bing. But again, we're not here for competition. I always believe you don't compare yourself with the number of years. You don't compare yourself with the number of accolades, whatever. It's not what we are being what we are being called for. I guess we're called here to always be an instrument, to always be somebody an opportunity to sabi nga ni Ms. Binke na help others become better versions of themselves, no? And seeing, for example, many of you, alam nyo, atong joke kay nga nadula, atong inambal ni Mr. Pons, nga nagsakay sa kotse ko nga medyo classic, very pang showroom, vintage ng kotse, no? But you know, I just realized after 25 years, I've actually, I think, changed cars 12 times,
Wow.
13 times,
Wow.
and but it's not the, it's never the main, it's never the in fact, it has never become anymore the measure or the gauge. But it's really realizing, no, that at the end of the day, you have to focus on what's most important to you. What's most important to you, no? I guess I just would like to share with you my decision, no? The decision for me to probably retire at this time. It was unexpected, although for a while I was thinking about this already. Kasi napapagod na rin ako di ba? Yung bang, they call me the most dashing executive of Film Life. Dashing because I always dash. Right? I dashing from Jensen to Cebu, Cebu to Iloilo, Iloilo to Davao. Almost every week. No? There was even a week wherein every day I travel. And at a certain point, you would ask yourself, why are you doing all of this? Why are you doing all of this? Diba? And at one point, I think last year or 2 years ago, I just realized I'm doing it for my family. I'm doing it for my wife, my son, my family. That's why I'm doing all these things. Diba? And I'm being asked to go to Manila to start on being prepared, you know, for something truly big, truly exciting. You know? And for a while I was thinking I want to take that. But I said, you know, I just realized if I will take that, I will miss the chance of building the most important person in my life. And that is my son. Because when I will be there, probably in the next 5 to 10 years, that will be Phil-Am all the time. It will not anymore be opportunity for me to get a chance also to help my son prepare for the best version of himself. Pero ironic, di ba? Medyo ironic that you can probably build careers of people, and when you look back, you have not prepared your son for the best career that he should be. I guess I cannot forgive myself when that happens, and that's the decision. That's the decision that I have to make. And I guess that's what we're here for. We are here for our biggest why. We are here for people that matters most to us. And I just decided that way. I don't know what will happen next. In fact, kaya na nagkita na kami ni Ms. Weng, pamangkot siya, din ka makadto, sir, di ba? Aside from just telling her, makadto ko sa CR, tang na-istoryahan na kami. Pero sa tinuon na. Probably, kidding aside, no? Kidding aside, I don't know where, but I agree with what most of you have mentioned, with Ms. Eva mentioned. I guess I know what I want to happen. I think the good Lord will lead me there.
Yes.
And He will really give me that opportunity to achieve that, no? To be able to really help also my biggest why become the best that he can be. No? And I hope that should always be the guiding light for all of you always. Be driven by your biggest why. It's not going to be measured by something else. It is within you. It is within you. I would like to close it with a story I just read last night. I would like to end it with that story. Meron akong ginabasang isang article last night. No? I don't know if ang isa daw ka usa, deer. Isa ka deer. Ano na siya? Very ano ng deer. Very, ano yung tawag siya? Very, ano na siya? Observant na klaseng animal. In fact, gamay lang ang kibot.
Dalagan.
Kundi niya alin. Amo na siya ang usa di ba? Magulag ka lang gamay, mabatsagan niya na. Di ba? Yes. Pero may ara siya, isa ka scent niya, hindi niya gid maano, no? Hindi niya gid maunawaan niya, attracted siya sa scent niya. And when he gets that scent, and they call it the scent of a musk. And ang musk scent. Pag nakaamoy siya, pangitao niya gina, mas kinadiin. Ginapangita niya na siya sa mga sa kakahuyan, sa kadagatan. Pangitao niya gina, pangitao niya. But you know when he stops looking for it, when he realizes that the mask is inside. The mask is inside. Ang mask, makuha lang na siya from the gland of a deer. And only when he realized that it's within him, that he stops searching. And I guess, amo man nagyapon kita tanan, when you realize your purpose, and your purpose is your biggest why, you would realize no amount of running after goals bigger than yourself would keep the peace, and that would keep you happy. So I hope you find your mask. I hope you find the real why within you always. No? So to all of you, I cannot thank you so much, Ate Alice, Presi, tanan kamo, tanan. Thank you so much. You have been a very big part of who I am today. Hindi nyo lang na siya nabalaan, Weng, actually who I am today was a result of my interactions with all of you. I become who I am because I had the chance to work with you. Wesley, I know we had some discussions, and those discussions, I've learned a lot as well. To all of you. So again, thank you for having this time, this opportunity to have this e-meeting, and I look forward that Amayanin nila, there are more chances for us to be together. I'm now here with Jensen. We don't know. So we just have to ask for God's guidance how we will be led later on. So continue praying for each other, because that will really bring us to where we want to go. Thank you. Salamat sa tanan.
Thank you, Sir Ron.
Amen. Pwede nga, pwede nga all together. Dungan ta. We love you, Sir Roland. Ready, set, go! We love you, Sir Roland. Truly, we truly love you, sir.
Love you, Sir Roland.
Okay.
Professor.
Love you, Sir Roland. Love you, Sir Roland.
Ayan. So I hope that you have also learned from the story gyapon ni Sir Roland. What he has shared to us today is very important. I think applicable gyapon na siya sa atong life in everything that we will be doing, that we always have to look at our center, unsa ang atong purpose and who we truly are, because that's the only time that we can get to appreciate and really achieve our goals when we stop when we see importante data that scent of the mask is in us. Thank you, Sir Roland. I think I really learned a lot from that statement as well. Thank you, Kayo. And at the same time, to give you our thanks, Sir Roland, we would also like to share this song with you. Okay? So we have Miss Presi Dalumpines. Okay. Ma'am Presi, are you ready? And at the same time, she'll also share her message. Ayan.
Go, friend.
Sir Wes?
Yes.
For some reason, di ko balaan nga, hindi na mag-andar nga ako.
Akapela na lang, kaya mo yan.
Akapela.
Sir, naakay kuan, naakay dira, sir?
Ano?
Para kantahan ko na lang, sir.
Ano man? Depende ma'am kay basig mag-delay ba, basig masira.
Okay.
Oo, kisa mag-delay abi.
Kaya napagid ako, sir. Ambot na unsa ni akong iPad, sir. Wala kusutan guro ni. Hello, Sir Roland. Hello, sir. Mag-share na lang po, sir.
Sige, go.
Mag-share na lang po.
Akapela na lang.
Gani, kalma bala, kalma. Kalma. Time pa, pambalan yung mga kuanay.
Sige, go.
Sabi nyo kamo lang. Sir Roland, sir.
Yes, Miss Presi.
Nagipot anay ka mo. Sir, if you can remember, nung nakita ko yung announcement, I honestly naratel ako, sir.
Do not cry.
Sir, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. I remember Sa'yo po ako natuto. Sa'yo ako natuto. Po. Dad lang ito sir, no? Sorry.
25 ka man galit, Chris. 25 ka man.
Sir, ang isang hindi ko malipatan tong my first pension builder, dollar pension builder, sir, na nang ara na gid ang bayad sa utod, that's around my first dollar
First blood.
policy. Oo. Actually, I was then second year pa lang sa Film Life, so medyo hindi pa ako marunong nun. I admit. Sir, if you can remember, from Tacoro,
Ay, ma'am, na-mute mo.
Mo.
Press. Oh, you go.
nagsiling ako nga kabudlay man sini sir nang ara kay ang na-insured ko abi sir ano ko lang kapitan sa bangko nga bago ko lang nakilala sa isa ka party. So okay na siya kay open-minded. Pero ang kwarta gibili niya sa utod, ang utod ang nakikialam. Ang hambal mo sa akon, ganito ang hambal mo. Amo niyang ginhambal mo sir nga na-learn gid ako siling mo. Magkano ang komisyon mo diyan, Presi? Sumasuma man ang isa sa $3,000 na annual. That was pila tong pension builder sa una, sir. I forgot.
30 to 40%. 40%.
Oo, nag-annualize man si Cap.
$1,200.
Oo, nag-annualize si Cap ng plus 5%. Tinanong mo ako, are you deserving to that commission? Bodo na huya man ako. So, gi-work out ko talaga, sir, na ang kapatid, kasi umalis na talaga si Kapitan. So, dito sa mga gitudlo mo sa akon, I've learned a lot, sir. Thank you. And, balaan mo bala, sir, kung may problema, bala ko sa, gatawagin ko sa imo, wagi ko na huya. Permi ko gatawag sa imo, sir. And, I admire your grabe ang impact mo sa amon tanan, sir, sa agency, lalo na yung nag-down ang
market.
Nag-down ang market, sir. Paman ako anyway, 4 years na ako noon. Nakita ko sila Ate Lydia, sila Ate Maka, nagay-review sa opisina. Kaya na down na. Pero every time na nag-aabot ka, sir, kag ginapa ikaw gid ang pacifier namon, ikaw gid ang nagahimo sang tanan para hindi kami hindi kami magwatak-watak, hindi kami makulbaan, kay ara gid ang information nga ginadala mo. Sir, thank you very much. Nang sanggab nga nag-announce nga mahalin ka na ay ano ba bla sir,
Retire.
Nagtawag ako sa imo. Actually, sir, pagtawag ko sa imo, kay bion ako sa to, pero ginagwanta ko lang. Ginagwanta ko lang yung matingala ka nga kay bion saya. But anyway, sir, ang hindi ko malipatan sa imo, ang tanan, mapansin mo, sir, tuwing nagatok ka, I do not know kung napapansin mo, ara ako permi sa tubangan.
Yes.
Pansin mo? Ara, gid
tubangan.
ako sa tubangan, sir, kay gusto ko gid ang tanan nga ginatudlo mo. You are a best coach. Kaupod ka ni Sir Pons. Naga-take note, gid ako, sir, kay nga ang ginapang tudlo mo sa amon, lalo na ang mga lalo na yung mga rejection, objection, grabe. Siling na Ate Diding, ang gitudlo mo sa amon, hindi lang namon na-apply sa negosyo, kundi sa amon nga kinabuhi, oo. Sir, thank you, gid. Kung ano-ano gid man, matawag-tawag pa man ako sa imo.
Libre na ko, libre.
Sir,
Gratis.
makanta ko siya, bisan.
Libre na, libre.
Sir, makanta ko, bisan wala sang
Oo,
sound.
acapella.
Okay lang.
Go.
Okay. Sayang ba? Nami, tani nag-prepare na tani ko ba? Kaya,
Ano gabi? Paano?
ha?
Ayun na hilak ati Pres, kay makahilak sad me.
Hindi, kay... Grabe ba lang sa tanan nga travel ko as MDRT, my God! Kung kaisa, late ako magsaka sa bus. Ina-announce. Ara na si Presi. Kaya late. Kaya nami man magtulog-tulog, abi, kay libre man ang libre ang travel. Tapos, sir, makita ko gate ang care mo sa amon. Alam yan ng lahat ng MDRT. Grabe, sobra pa kami sa bata mo, nga gina-asikaso mo. I'm so thankful. Grabe, oo.
My God, guys.
Grabe. Sir, thank you makanta ko
Kanta.
Kanta na.
Capella.
Okay. I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. And babe, this is all we ever be. I love you ever since you are a friend of mine. And babe, this is all we ever could be. You tell me things I never know. I show you love you never shown. But then again, where you go, I'm always at your side. Tell me about the love we had. I listen very eagerly. Deep inside, you'll never see this feeling of emptiness that make me feel sad. But then again, I'm glad. Sir, thank you. I love you so much. Thank you.
Galing.
Mabawi.
Okay pag wala accompaniment
Sir Roland, mabawi lang ko, sir, nami-on kasi sunod.
Magkita-kita tanga.
Salamat
Okay.
kayo.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Gyud.
sir.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Pandemic talang
Ayan.
kalitsuan.
oo, sige lang, imagine taglitsyon karon sa karon lang. Okay? So, ayan. So, we would like to thank everyone for really participating this evening, Sir Roland. Makita
Thank
gid
you so
nimo
much.
ang gugma sa imuha
Yes.
sa agency, sir, and starting from Sir Pons down to all the advisors. So, we truly wish you
Thank you,
the best, sir. We know
Thank you.
you'll always be there. We hope to see you soon.
Yeah.
Ayan.
yeah.
So, yes, sir, and spend more time. We are sure that we will be inviting you in so many events of the agency. So, this is not going to be goodbye, but it's going to be hello
See
for
you
the new
around.
chapter. Ayan, see you around. Oo, so at least Jensen na ka, sir. Yehey! Ayan, so, oo. And, ayan, so, Sir Pons, just a quick closing lang, sir, no, to end our program tonight. Ayan.
Dito lang po, more chances to be together, Land, right?
Ayan.
So, as the saying goes, Land, life goes on, cause endures, hope still lives, and dreams shall never die for all of us.
Wow.
Mabuhay.
Amen. Ayan, thank you. By the way, if you would like to leave your message at chat box, because I'll be saving this and I'll be sending it to Sir Roland as well.
Yes, please.
So daghan kay sila og kanang mga chat diri Sir Roland, so I will save this so that I can send it to you in a format no nga everyone nga ma-save siya, nga dili siya ma-kuan. So alright, so again, kung katong kinsa to nga gusto nga mag-leave og message sa chat box, no daghan na may nag-leave diri, I will save this and I will share this sa imo Sir Roland. And also the video.
Thank you, Wes.
Oh, you're very welcome, sir. So once again, thank you everyone. No, it's been a wonderful journey with you, sir. Rolling over the ocean. Ayan. So we hope to see you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Yes.
And yes, soon, sir. Soon. Napay mga Christmas parties, mga events, and Ayan. So, by the way, everyone, say your goodbyes to everyone as well.
Okay, thank you.
Wonderful
Thank
good
you,
night.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Salamat.
Bye.
Okay.
See you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan.
Bye-bye.
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 Thank you. Thank you.
Sir Franz, may good news ako.
Regards kay Ma'am Elsa.
Ano yung good news, Owi?
Sir,
Mm.
Fun Save Lives.
Yay!
1.5
Yay! Congrats, Owi! Rowena Tayag, saved life. Okay. Sige, ato na. Ibutang sa imong chat box diya kay ato nang i-dedicate kang si Roland.
Sir Roland,
Oo.
Basta
Oo.
whenever I hear the word Blue Ocean, ikaw
Yes.
gid Sir Roland ang ma-remember ko.
Ayan.
Thank you kayo.
Thank you, Pudweng, for your dedication and perseverance. Go, go, go. Leave your messages before I close the chat. No, I will save it. Okay, so palihog ko og send sa inyong mga messages if you're done. Okay, kaya I save it. O online kita karon no 100% digital. I will save it para kang Sir Roland. Oh, hilak lang, hilak lang.
Ano lang na nga, isend na lang via chat sir kita hilak.
Oh. Sige. While everyone is exiting, the rest can chat no sa chat box before I save it. So, Ma'am Lini, Ma'am Lily, please type in your message. And yes, ang atong party kita na lang ta personally no with Sir Roland soon no. I hope nga kumahuman na ning atong pandemic, we can get to see each other again and celebrate no. By the way, again, next month, most probably, we will have our annual awards online and we will share it in Facebook. Ayan, gusto nyo yan, ang awarding natin, nakashare sa Facebook. Ayan. Yes, oh, live tayo niyan ha. So,
Yes, sir.
dapat maganda kayo, no, naka-make up. Lahat. Kasi when you will be awarded, no, live tayo, ipapakita yung mga faces ninyo. So, ayan. Ha? Sa Zoom lang kita, oo. Sa Zoom lang, mag-awarding kita. Tapos isibya nato sa YouTube o sa Facebook. So, ayan. So, we will invite Sir Roland to speak for us as well. Sure na.
Yes,
Ayan.
thank you.
Okay. So, paki-send lang sa inyo mga messages before you go so I can save it before I also exit. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wala mo gito gipahambal ba?
Ay, ano, na-late ka gali, ma'am. Gipangita ta ka ganina. Oo.
Yes.
Ay, Ma'am Inez.
Gahilak na lang ko.
Naghilak na lang ka.
Wala man ko gipahambal, naghilak na lang ko.
Bibi na lang kayo contribution.
Bibi na akong contribute, wala man ka mo kapakita sa luha ko.
Butang sa panyo.
Ibutang sa panyo, ma'am. Tapos, ano, ipahid kang si Roland.
Salamat.
Oh, mami, na naman kay message, no? Sige, thank you po.
Ara na.
Oo.
Okay, bye-bye na, sir.
Oh, bye-bye. Katong
Ako
tapos na.
client.
Sure.
Client,
Wala
bye-bye.
kasi Mama Marilo, karon pa nagsulod. Tapos naman.
Human na.
Marilo Montesilio, tapos na po.
Sir, bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye, Ma'am
GFW ko,
Presi.
sir.
Sige, ma'am, go. Ingat. Kubag ang mata, JFW galore.
Ayusin ko to.
Oh, magulat
Sorry.
ako. I'm sure napa sila Ma'am Lini, nag-type pa. Oo. So, wait lang ko.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye sa uban. Bye-bye. Oo, ingat. Good night. Bye, Ma'am Diding. Ingat. Oh, you're welcome.
Bye-bye, sir. Ingat.
Bye, Sir Wes.
Bye-bye, Ma'am Bing. Good night.
Yes, sir. Good
Thank you, Ma'am
night.
LV. Good night, everyone. Ma'am Marilu, Montesilio, if you would like to send a message for Sir Pons, pwede po tanga
Mag-meeting ka ni, nga ulihin
mag-chat
ka.
ta.
Layo ka gid sa luwag.
Oh. So, ayan. So, palihog na lang ko sa inyong mga messages. Ayan, sa chat box. Kaya para makita ni Sir Roland yung mga messages. Ayun. Sige, mag-play ko og music. Asa na ta tong music?